universities like the University of Kashmir and also in the Northeast. And in this process, in the last, after 4 or 5 months, maybe we will have a very good document, an analytical document. And this document, with the consultations of this key player, approved. And then everybody will own, and then we will call to all players, international player, who is playing in this country, for the further comprehensive strategy for our last fight against the torture and organized violence in this country, to establish the rule of law and pluralistic democracy in the city. First suggestion. Second suggestion, here we are looking at the sandwich model. We need the pressures from grassroots level, and we need pressures from upper. So, also in this country, because here is a different nationalities, different contexts. Already Suhas highlighted yesterday, and many people also. So we need manual according to the different nationalities and the contexts. And this manual, the key player will play into that, like the West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Suhas is working for people are working on the grassroots. So we have a lot of testimony, and this testimony is a little bit different from the legal testimony actually. Because you look that, I am the student of medical science. If you think anything, come into the hypothalamus. And in the hypothalamus there is a pituitary gland, master gland. If you take the hypothalamus, it becomes the pituitary gland. Whole your bodies, huh? So what you are thinking, what happening with you, everything is affecting. So here also we are converting, supporting the victims, involving the victims in the ongoing campaign. We are not going, I am not supporter of to creating any forum for only for the victims. There is a PUCL movement, there is a campaign against displacement, there is a campaign against displacement in Nandigram and all. In this campaign, we will support human rights groups, professional human rights groups will support to the victims. They will eliminate their fear and they will come and to lead these movements, and there is a very different dynamics. And also we use this gaps and all and to analyze. We know that some people have, just like UPR. UPR is the best example in this country. 250 organizations come together indoors. Suhas has the great skills to write, and he will write and everybody contribute, and we have the best report, highly quoted in the United Nations Human Rights Council's processes. And fourth thing, just like that, maybe all cases coming in the National Human Rights Commissions. Some cases coming into Supreme Courts. So already we have the Human Rights Law Network who is supporting a lot. Also many on national level in the law. And also this EU project, Amnesty EU project, also created, done a People's Tribunal, and the HRN have the Indian People's Tribunals. Why we are not going to establish a permanent jury and the permanent tribunals against on the torture and organized violence, and we call the all survivor come all over India, new survivor, every 2 years they will come, and their bias will come into the corridors of policymakers. Because you look at when I talk with the grassroots level organization, they told us network means work done by someone and net by someone. So I don't like already Suhas tell that. So in this process, most important thing, we need independent analysis and then consultations, make a comprehensive things. Also, maybe many organizations